YouTube, what's good? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy G Moody and you're watching Downshift 215. Today, I got something chill for y'all. We got the Benz out here. You know what I mean? Cleaning her up a little bit. Found out that I got a leak in my washer fluid reservoir. So we gotta figure that out. Video coming soon, but there's the V8. 4.7 liter, twin turbo. German engineering, 2012 S550. Right now what I'm doing is, as you can see, I got the V8 bi-turbo 4matic plus. Some would say I'm badge capping because it's not 4matic plus, it's just 4matic, but whatever. We're going to change this black badge to chrome because I'm going with the black and chrome theme that is naturally. And also, as you can see here, got me some chrome badges. I already did the S550 and the 4matic. I'm going to do the P symbol. And we got a trunk spoiler. So stay tuned for all that. I'm gonna set y'all up. This is gonna be a time-lapse video. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell, become part of the Shift Squad, because we going nowhere but to the motherfucking sky. Let's go.
1 2 1 2. We just gonna keep shit cool like we do. They can't kick shit like we do. I'm having flavor, bitches love a nigga like seafood. They can't kick shit like we do. I'm having flavor, bitches love a nigga. Hot. Nigga believe that I'm with the game but missing like jewels and shit, I mean that. This that crack music, got your fix if you fiend that. Real rap is back on the rise, I know you need that. Came to take this game by surprise and you ain't seen that. I ain't with the riff-raff, I'm chillin' smoking green black. Man on a mission, yet they tryna hold the team back. Paper cut fingers cause I'm steady counting greenbacks. Damn, did it again. Came in with shorty, now I'm leaving with a friend. Now we
This is the trunk lip. Goes along here that I got off of eBay. It says made in Taiwan. So we're gonna open this up. We're gonna go right here. Give this a little good look. As you can see, we got the chrome emblems in. Once I put the trunk lip on, I'm going to take her to get a little spray wash down, then we'll go do a little look at how the emblems in the trunk look. Keep watching.
One, two, 1 2. We just gonna keep shit cool like we do. They can't kick shit like we do. I'm having flavor, bitches love a nigga like seafood. They can't kick shit like we do. I'm having flavor, bitches love a nigga. Hot. Nigga believe that I'm with the game but missing like jewels and shit, I mean that. This that crack music, got your fix if you feel.
And just like that, she's washed up and cleaned. Damn, she looking good. 2012 S550 4matic. As you can see, I have the AMG 63 front bumper and AMG wheels. Right there, put the badge, chrome badging on. 5% tint all the way around. And in the back, I put the chrome badging back on and the trunk spoiler. Looks good, man. Looks really good. I haven't done a full review on the vehicle yet. I got that coming for y'all soon. I've done some things to maintain her, keep her running well. She's done well. I haven't had too much maintenance costs. I know a lot of people are scared of these older Mercedes because they may cost you a lot. I know y'all see right here, somebody backed into my door and scratched me up. So I have an insurance claim for that. Waiting on that to come through. But yeah, she's all cleaned up. Looking beautiful. Big body Benz. Remember, I used to be dusty. And for all of you in the comments, my other video talking about, oh, you buy an older Benz, it's gonna be, this isn't my only car. So before y'all get to getting goofy and commenting on how somebody else should spend their hard-earned money, know some shit before you state it. And if you follow my YouTube and my Instagram, you'll notice this isn't my only car. This is a car that I've always loved. And the appreciation hit it the right way, so I got it. I truthfully don't drive it too much. I put about 5,000 miles on it in a year. So there's the V8 badge, V8 bi-turbo, the good damage, and then we got my AMG wheels that are curb rashed. Well, yeah, just a quick badge video. Let y'all see what's going on with the Benz, how it's looking. If you ask me, and obviously I'm biased, but this is the best S-Class. As far as styling goes, every angle of this vehicle is sexy. The fender flares, the aggressive pointy front nose. Yeah, they did a great job with this. Do I want the new one or like the new ones? Yes, I do. They're amazing, especially the interior is amazing. But in my opinion, as far as the styling goes, the W221 Mercedes S-Class chassis is the best looking S-Class. Rims coming soon. I know that's going to set this off. And down in the comments, let me know if I should wrap it like, or y'all feeling the black and chrome. I've been feeling the black and chrome theme. Let me know if I should wrap it. Should I wrap it a BMW color or something like that? My boy said olive man green with black rims will go crazy. Let me know down in the comments. But yeah, this is the final product. We're riding stock right now. Rims coming soon. Once again, if you made it this far, ambulance is wrong. Yeah, but if you made it this far in the video, please like it, share it, subscribe, and click the notification bell. Got more videos coming to you soon. I'm out.